Dear students, 1.2 finding normal to a curved surface. This is a small activity. Let me take a rubber sole, a part of a piece of a rubber sole like this, and on the rubber sole I have pasted one mirror strip. I have pasted one mirror strip. On the mirror strip, now I have inserted 4 pins. I have inserted 4 pins like this. Now look at here. Now, when the rubber sole is not bent, these pins appear as if they are normals. These are normals drawn on the surface of this mirror strip. Now, when the rubber sole is without any bent, the normals appear as if they are parallel, and this is the case of plane mirror. Now, see here, the normal looks like straightforward. Here the normals look like straightforward. Now the second case. Now bend the surface, bend the rubber sole like this. Now when the rubber sole is bent inwards, the normals appear as if they are converging, at a point. Now this point is called center of curvature. This point is called center of curvature. Now when it is bent like this. Now this is a case of concave mirror. Now the third case is, see here, the same thing. I have moved. First here I have taken like this, then I have bent it inwards. Now this same rubber sole is bent outwards. When the rubber sole is bent outwards, now the normals are not straightforward, but they appear as if they are diverging, but as if they are meeting at a point backside of the mirror. Now this is a case of convex mirror.